Ayurveda treats the underlying driver, in addition to the side effects. In the present speedy world, where current medication frequently centers around side effect, the executives and handy solutions, numerous people are going to elective ways to deal with address their well-being concerns. One such revered arrangement of medication is Ayurveda, an old Indian mending custom that offers a comprehensive way to deal with well-being and prosperity. With its accentuation on customized medicines, Ayurveda perceives the novel idea of every person and gives an extensive system to address the underlying driver of sicknesses. The cutting-edge way of life, portrayed by delayed sitting, absence of actual work, unfortunate dietary decisions, and elevated degrees of stress, has negatively affected our general prosperity. In this high-speed and stationary way of life, the pervasiveness of issues like joint inflammation and back torment has been on the ascent. Joint inflammation and back torment have become normal sicknesses that are seen to have essentially influenced an individual's personal satisfaction. Regular medication frequently centers around overseeing side effects instead of tending to the main driver of these infirmities, prompting transitory alleviation and likely aftereffects from long-haul drug use. In this way, the requirement for a more complete and all-encompassing way to deal with these circumstances has become progressively evident. Ayurveda, with its well-established insight and customized medicines, offers a beam of trust. This old mending framework utilizes a great many natural details, dietary changes, way-of-life changes, and panchkarma rehearses that work synergistically to lessen irritation, support the joints, and advance generally prosperity. Figuring out joint pain and back agony in Ayurveda. As per Ayurveda, joint pain and move torment happen because of an awkwardness in the body's doshas, fundamentally Vata and Kapha. Vata unevenness prompts dryness, firmness, and breaking joints, while Kapha awkwardness brings about expanding, greatness, and dull torment. The Ayurvedic approach centers around rebalancing the doshas, further developing absorption, decreasing irritation, and reinforcing the joints. Ayurvedic solutions for joint inflammation and back agony. Ayurvedic back rub, Abhyanga. Customary back rub with warm natural oils, for example, sesame or coconut oil, can give enormous help from joint inflammation and back torment. The delicate strokes assist with further developing blood course, lessen firmness, and loosen up the muscles. Rubbing with explicit natural oils injected with calming spices like ashwagandha or turmeric can improve the advantages. Homegrown enhancements. A. Shalaki, Boswellia serrata. Solid mitigating impacts in this spice help to decrease joint uneasiness and enlarging. B. Gugulu, Camophora mucul. Gugulu advances sound joints and ligament by decreasing aggravation and supporting joint grease. C. Ashwagandha, Withania somnifera. Known for its adaptogenic properties, ashwagandha lightens agony and supports generally speaking prosperity. D. Ginger, Zingiber officinale. This flexible spice major areas of strength for has provocative properties and can assist with lessening joint inflammation and back torment. Diet and way of life adjustments. A. Mitigating diet. Coordinate whole grains, lean proteins, new foods grown from the ground, new fats, and incline proteins toward your eating routine. Keep away from handled food varieties, abundant sugar, broiled food varieties, and red meat, as they can bother aggravation. B. Homegrown teas. Drink natural teas like ginger, turmeric, or fenugreek tea, which have calming properties. C. Normal activity. Participate in delicate activities like yoga, swimming, or strolling to work on joint adaptability and fortify the muscles supporting your back. D. Keep a solid weight. Overabundance weight overburdens the joints and back, demolishing torment. Keeping a solid weight can reduce this weight. Panchakarma treatments. A. Vyarchana. A detoxification treatment that takes out poisons from the body and lessens irritation, hence working on joint well-being. B. Basti. Homegrown douches assist with greasing up the joints, lessen torment, and advance mending. C. Abhyanga. As referenced prior, Ayurvedic rubs assume a pivotal part in easing torment and solidness in the joints and back. D. Patra Patli Swedana. E. Outer Basti Janu Basti for knees torment, Kadi Basti for back torment. Yoga and reflection. A. Particular yoga stances, like Bhujangasana, Cobra present, Setu Bandhasana, scaffold present, and Balasana, kids posture, can reinforce the back muscles, increment adaptability, and diminish torment. B. Reflection and profound breathing strategies assist with overseeing pressure, which can deteriorate torment side effects. Allow me to sum up a couple of simple home cures separating from the previously mentioned restoratives. Follow a couple of home remedies, mentioned underneath, that you can rehearse with solace with accessible items at home. Turmeric. Blend warm milk or water in with a portion of a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Drink this creation consistently prior to dosing. Because of its mitigating attributes, turmeric can assist with decreasing back and joint inflammation-related torment and expanding. 1 teaspoon of ground ginger ought to be stewed for 10 minutes in some water to make ginger tea. Drink the tea with a sifter a few times each day. Back agony and joint pain can be feeling better by ginger's pain-relieving and mitigating compound parts. Fenugreek seeds. Short term, douse 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds in water. Strain the water and eat the absorbed seeds first thing the morning. The mitigating impacts of fenugreek seeds are accepted to help joint inflammation and back uneasiness. Epsom salt shower. Steaming shower water adding 2 cups of Epsom salt. Splash for 20 to 30 minutes. Magnesium sulfate, a part of Epsom salt, can ease tense muscles and simplicity back and joint inflammation torment. Ayurvedic homegrown oil back rub. Intensity. Some Ayurvedic natural oil, for example, sesame oil, and tenderly back rub it onto the impacted joints or region of the back. Knead in roundabout movements for around 10 to 15 minutes. This further develops blood flow, decrease aggravation, and ease torment. Triphala powder. Triphala is ready by blending 3 natural products: Amalaka, Emblica officinalis or Indian gooseberry, Bibitaki, Terminalia bellerica, and Haritaki, Terminalia chebula. Blend 1 teaspoon of triphala powder in a glass of warm water and polish off it prior to hitting the sac. It has cell reinforcement and mitigating properties that can assist with joint inflammation and back torment. End. In a world tormented by the rising pervasiveness of joint inflammation and back torment, Ayurveda sparkles as a reference point of all-encompassing mending, offering customized medicines that address the main driver, support the body, and re-establish congruity. As the old saying goes, in nature's drugstore, Ayurveda holds the way to enduring well-being. With persistence and consistency, Ayurvedic cures can assist you with having an aggravation-free and better existence. Be that as it may, it is critical to counsel an Ayurvedic expert prior to beginning any treatment to guarantee customized suggestions in view of your novel constitution and condition. With tolerance and consistency, Ayurvedic cures can assist you with having an aggravation-free and better existence. By embracing the insight of Ayurveda, people can leave on an extraordinary excursion towards ideal well-being, recovering a torment-free and energetic life. Allow us to open our hearts and psyches to the immortal insight of Ayurveda, permitting it to direct us on a way of well-being and concordance, where the genuine embodiment of well-being is understood and celebrated.